I was just talking with some other web designers and entrepreneurs about how we are all collecting and using testimonials in our marketing these days. And I wanted to share with you a tool that I started using last year that has a lifetime deal and is currently offering a discount on that as well. If you want to check it out, I'll drop my affiliate link below. I'd be grateful if you use it, and I'll give you a little tour of what it does. I've gotten a lot of questions about it, so I just wanted to show you how I'm using it. Now, granted, I've not embedded it on my website yet. That is on my list. It's on my list to add some more testimonials, but I wanted to show you how it works to see if it works for your workflow because it does make getting the testimonials a much easier lift. All right, so right now, at the time I'm recording this, there is a discount off lifetime access. And if you're like me, you love a lifetime access deal. Here are some competitors. One of those is the one that I have been using, really expensive. This one right now, this price may be going away soon. I don't know. It's $199 for lifetime access, and that gets you 3 projects. I use all 3. I'll show you how I'm doing that in just a second. But if you want to learn more about it, I'll share my affiliate link and you can check it out. Again, grateful if you use that link. Here's what it looks like inside. You can go into settings, and for any workspace, you can update your logo, brand color, title of your service or product, and your link, and save changes here. So I have 3 different projects or workspaces. I kind of think of them as products. So there's Christy Price, which is the one-on-one service work that I do. There's my starter template. And then there's also the Web Designer's Playbook, which is a course that I sell. Now, I have lots of other testimonials for this, but I didn't start using this tool until kind of later on in the game. So you can see one person used the testimonial tool here at Shoutout, but I can add other testimonials. So I can do this via text, video. There are lots of different ways to do this, but you can also, if you have a ton, import it from a CSV. So if you're using another tool and you want to get them from that tool into this one, you can export and import really easily. But let me show you how this is set up. So we've got the testimonials here. Here are the submissions that I approve before they become testimonials. So they land here first when somebody submits it and you approve it, and then it goes into testimonials. But how do you collect them? There is a form, and you can have separate forms. You do have separate forms for each project. So let's look at the form for the Web Designer's Playbook. So the preview is here on the right, and you can change the appearance. You can add a logo, change your brand color, change the theme from light to dark. You can show the shout out branding or not. The start page is here. So let's go ahead and take a look at that. Share a testimonial. Here's a little blurb I wrote. I'd love to share your testimonial on my website. If it was helpful for you, thank you. And then you can choose if they can submit a video recording or a text response. So I have both here. Some people are just like, yeah, let me record something. Some are text. And you can change the button text on both of these. Now, once they've selected one, here is where they're leaving the testimonial. So there's different toggles for video and text. What do you like the most? Why would you recommend the playbook to others? I need to update this here. And you can also allow them to upload an image if you'd like. Now, next up is the submit page. This is where you're asking for their profile photo, name, email, website, stars. You can change the color of these later if you're displaying them on your website so they match. And then you're getting their permission to use the testimonial, and they submit it. So after that, there is a thank you page, and you can obviously change this as well and add buttons if you'd like. So this can be different for every single product or workspace that you have here. So I could make this be more geared toward my one-on-one services. This is geared toward my starter template, and this one is for my course. So the form for each of these can be very different. Now, if we go over to published, what you can do is create a widget to embed this on your website. So here you can choose, do you want a grid or carousel? Obviously, if I had more, you would see them populated here. You can style this star color, border color, text color, brand color, all of this. Choose what to show or hide so that you can embed this on your website and it will look great. So underneath the design section, you can choose selected shout outs, or you can use all of them. You can reorder, display how many, you can truncate if they are very long. And you can also have featured ones that you're pinning to the top that show up first. So when you're ready to go, you just get a code snippet that you add to your website. So it is really, really simple. So, like I said, I'm not using this to its full capabilities yet, but it is something that I want to start doing. Now, in your forum, there is a link so you can embed this on your website or you can send this directly to people. So, my goal is to go back to where I'm asking for testimonials for my different products and services and give them this link. So, everything going forward is in Shoutout. But even though I haven't done that yet, I can still come back and add testimonials myself here and just basically create this for someone who's left it in another format. So, really simple to use, simple to share, simple to embed on your website. If you give Shoutout a try, let me know what you think. Drop a note in the comments. And I'd love to know, are you using a testimonial tool like Shoutout or another one on your website now? Feel free to drop a link in the comments below and we'll check it out. Thanks so much for watching, and I wish you all the best with your website.